Hello students, today we are going to learn the next region, that is a grassland region. It is a spread between 5 degree to 20 degree north and south parallels, and we also seen the savanna in Africa, Queensland in Australia, Parkland in Africa, Llanos and Campos in South America, and other places are spread in the grassland region. Now see the climate. Summer temperature is around 35 degree, winter temperature is 24 degree, and we see here the rainfall, it is around 250 to 1000 millimeter. On an average we can see the hot and humid summer and warm and dry winter is there. Now see about the natural vegetations. Tall and thick grass is there. Height of grass is around 5 meters, so we call it is a elephant grass. Trees are very rare, and umbrella like canopy they have, like the acacia, agave, sisal, pineapple, cactus, etc. Large number of carnivorous and herbivorous animals found in grassland region. Nature has gifted them with speedy legs. Skin of that animal has a colored food, and spots or the strips or bands are available on their bodies, like lion, cheetah, hyenas, wolf, zebra, giraffe, elephant, rhino, wild ox, buffaloes, kangaroo, emu. Such like animals are found in grassland region. Houses are simple, which is made by the mud walls and thatched roof is there. Houses have no any windows. The short height and the dome shaped hut, we call it is a khals. Then hunting and rearing the main occupation of people. Then main tribes which we found in that grassland region, that is a Zulu, Hausa and Masai. Now next one region, that is a equatorial region. It is spread between 5 degree north to 5 degree south. Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Guyana, Congo Basin, Amazon Basin, such regions are found in that equatorial region. Then temperature, summer temperature it is 30 degrees Celsius. If you think about the annual rainfall, it is between 2500 and 3000 millimeter. High heat and rainfall throughout year we can see there. So because of the humid and hot climate, vegetal litter decomposes, so that's why it is a lead to the various diseases in that equatorial region. Now depend on the climatic conditions, we can see different types of the natural vegetations found here. Dense evergreen forest is there, variety of trees or bushes we can see, swampy land is there, tall hard-wooded trees are there like mahogany, greenwood, rosewood, ebony, that's types of trees we found in that area. Variety of animals, in marshy lands we mainly found the crocodiles, anacondas and hippopotamus. We also see the animals, birds living on the trees like the chimpanzee, gorillas, hornbills, etc. Also we can see poisonous insects such as a sesame fly is there. Then the human settlements are very few in that region. We can see the peoples are depend on the nature. Population is mainly tribal is there, means mostly tribal peoples are there. Houses are built by the trees. Houses are built on the trees. Tribes like the Pygmies in Africa, Boro Indians and Simex etc. found in the equatorial region.